While in Europe the economy is stagnating, there are exceptional entrepreneurs in the CEE that manage to find growth models for their businesses worldwide. To achieve that, they are raising funding, selling their products, and creating interconnected networks on a global scale. To debate this, Erste Group hosted a panel discussion entitled Turning the World Upside Down: How to Grow in Times of Stagnation. The panel included Andreas Treichl, CEO of Erste Group; Adam Somlai-Fischer, co-founder of Prezi; Wojciech Inglot, CEO and founder of Inglot; Daniel Hastik, CEO and co-founder of Futurelytics; and Nenad Pacek, CEO of Global Success Advisors. What does 2013 hold for your business?
I think that you will see a lot more differentiation than in the past. The good ones will get better in 2013, and the bad ones will get worse.
Is being seen as an Eastern European business holding back your growth?
In the US, it doesn't matter. People like to buy great products and they could care less about where it comes from.
This is a key question, especially for the makeup, for cosmetics. People care where you produce. And as I have to admit that there's no problem if people in the US learn that it was produced in Poland. Not at all, not the problem. But EU is EU.
But these countries still have to develop a name for quality.
How do you feel about the funding landscape and the challenges to expand?
I'm probably not the best person to answer that question because for the last 12 years we are a totally debt-free company.
Where I see the value in the money-wise kind of approach is actually the network of the people who are doing the stuff to help the other companies in. So for us, the money was not the main thing, and as well the trip we are planning to Silicon Valley would not be just about the money, but about the people who could help us to leverage, to scale, and to actually be on the market where we want to be.
And I think that over the next, it's going to take not much more time. The next 2 to 3 years will show whether there is really a new sort of financial industry developing outside the present regulatory environment that banks operate in, that are trying to make a move into the world of finance.
Since you're all coming from the EU, did this fact help you to run your business?
It saves us a lot of money, and right now to ship goods from Warsaw to Krakow, somewhere in Poland, is just same as from Warsaw to Madrid.
The cultural exchange is a tremendous value, and there's a lot you can learn from really successful societies.
Unfortunately, during the last 4 years, you had some sort of developments that were limiting the free movement of capital and liquidity, and that's really bad. But the principle of the EU is fantastic, and I hope we're getting back on the right track very soon.
Tell us where you might be in 20 years' time.
But it also takes time. I think people were laughing at Toyota 60 years ago. They were laughing at Samsung 20 years ago. Nobody's laughing at any of those. And it will simply take time for some of these East European brands to go more regional, more global. And some will succeed, some won't.
Yeah, 20 is, I would like to have everybody who uses a computer on this planet in 20 years' time to at least try Prezi.
I think that the 3 to 5 years, probably 4 years, we would like to have 1,000 stores all over the world.
My dream is that one day whoever wants to go to a bank in Europe and in our region will say, well, hopefully Erste is taking me as a customer, and only if they don't take me, I'm going to another bank.
So we would like to have the Futurelytics as a choice one for people to actually have a meaningful insight into such huge amounts of the data so they can make their own decisions.
After the discussion, we asked the participants about their lessons learned.
Follow these innovative companies, banking with them, and making sure that finance markets and industrial activities are focusing on innovative clients and customers and markets.
Yeah, I learned that for the entrepreneurship you need to have guts, heart, logistic, and it was very funny for me to hear a completely opposite opinion from three completely different entrepreneurs.